In the shadows of the night, I see a distant light calling me through space and time, like a dream I'll never leave behind. Every heartbeat, every flame echoes through the endless rain, far beyond melody. There's a place where we're meant to be, Feel the energy rising, feel the universe align. Every soul becomes a spark, every star begins to shine tonight. We are infinite. This is the sound of eternity, calling out for you and me. Through the darkness, through the light, we will rise into the night. This is the sound of eternity, an endless wave of energy, beyond the limits of our lives. Forever we will shine. Whoa, through the fire, through the storm, 1,000 voices carry on. Every dream you left behind becomes a star across the sky. No more fear and no more pain, only memories remain. Together we ignite the night, like a beacon burning bright, like a beacon burning bright.
Fades away and the silence fills the sky. One thing remains, the music, the memories, the sound of eternity.
This is the sound of eternity, calling out for you and me. Through the darkness, through the light, we will rise into the night. This is the sound of eternity, an endless wave of energy, beyond the limits of our lives. Forever we will shine. Forever, forever, forever,
The sound of eternity.